Hello students, welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to solve some sums in amine chapter. I already given this sum. Okay. Now let us see the first sum in amine chapter. So I already told you memorize all the name reactions. So if you are familiar in name reaction means you can able to find out the common A, B like that. Okay. This kind of commons only they'll ask. Sometimes they'll ask to find out the reagent. Reagent they will ask. Okay. Now see the first question, identify the common B in the following reaction. Okay, they're asking only B. Okay, we must know, you have to find out A, then only we can able to find out B. So this is benzene diacetyl chloride reacts with cuprous chloride in presence of HCl to form A. So this is nothing but, this is called what? Sand-Mayer reaction, isn't it? Suppose here, what is Sand-Mayer reaction? Sand-Mayer reaction nothing but it's called benzene diacetyl chloride, isn't it? N2Cl reacts with cuprous chloride in presence of HCl. We get what? Here any halogens, cuprous chloride, cuprous bromide. So we are going to get only the halo. Suppose cuprous bromide is added means we are getting bromobenzene. Cuprous chloride is added means we are getting chlorobenzene. Okay. So here cuprous chloride is added, no. Then only we are getting what? Chlorobenzene. Understood? That is common A. Understood? Chlorobenzene is a common A. Understood? Right. But our aim is to find out only common B, Then if you see sodium means you must remember. Okay. What is this? This is in halo or in alkane chapter. Okay. So here sodium, this is called Fittig reaction. No, chlorobenzene reacts with sodium means here just remember. Here sodium also you should write 2 times. Chlorobenzene also you should write 2 times. Then only we are going to get what? Biphenyl. Okay. This also write 2 times. This also write 2 times. Okay. So 2 molecules of NaCl will be removed. Okay. So we are going to get biphenyl. So option okay, A is the correct answer. We get what? Biphenyl. Biphenyl will be like this. Understood? Understood? Okay. So option A is the correct answer. Understood? So this is Sand-Mayer reaction. This is Fittig reactions. Okay. So whenever if you see sodium on the arrow mark, you must remember it may be Woods Fittig or it would be Fittig or it would be Woods reaction. Okay. Right. It's aryl halides, no? Two aryl halides combined together with the two times sodium atom, we get biphenyl. Understood? So option A is the correct answer. Now see the next one. Nitrobenzene reacts with FeSC, ion in presence of HCl to get A. Okay, so NO2 becomes NH2 when we add tin NHCl or iron NHCl. So the first reaction is that simple one, nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene on reduced by iron NHCl. It's a simple reaction, that iron NHCl or tin NHCl. This is all the reducing agent. It converts what? It converts NO2 into NH2. Cut or not? It converts NO2 into NH2. That's the role of this reagent. Understood? Then this is common A, isn't it? This is common A. Understood? Next one. Then again NaNO2 HCl 273 Kelvin. This is called what? Diacetyl reaction. Okay. Diacetyl reaction. NaNO2 HCl at 273 Kelvin. This is nothing but what? Diacetyl reaction. So what it is doing means it converts NH2 into N2Cl. Okay. Because we are going to get diacetyl salt. Isn't it? We are going to get diacetyl salt N2Cl. Understood? Okay. Understood. This is common B. Okay. Right. This is common B. Understood? Right. Again, B on hydrolysis. B on hydrolysis with it was of acid, medium, and heater also. Okay. So if you do like this, what happen? We get H2O. H2O is added. Heat also. Okay. What happen here? Minus HCl will be removed. N2 also it removed. We get what? Phenol is the product. We get phenol. Okay. All the reactions are very important. Very standard questions. Go through. This is nothing but C. Okay. Identify C in the following reaction. C is nothing but phenol. Phenol means option B is the correct one. Understood? All are familiar reaction. Next one. Identify B in the following reaction. ABC is there, but I am asking only B. B only I want. So last time we studied so same reaction. Suppose here nitrobenzene becomes NO2 becomes NH2 in presence of iron in presence of HCl. So the same reaction we get what? B is nothing but benzene diarsenic chloride. Here I already told you. Once again I am writing NO2. Okay. So NO2 into what? NH2. Who is the best reducing agent means iron in presence of HCl is the best reducing agent. Why it is best reducing agent means only few less amount of HCl is consumed. Then only iron in presence of HCl is the best. Iron in presence of HCl is the best reducing agent for converting NO2 into NH2. Understood? So here we put what? Iron in presence of HCl. Okay. Then this common A, okay. Then HNO2. It's nothing but diassociation. Last second sum, I don't know the same thing. Okay, right. If you put HNO2, okay, in plus of almost 0 degrees Celsius, it converts. HNO2 means here sodium nitrate in plus of HCl. Together it's called HNO2. Okay. The product will be N2Cl. Benzene diarsenic chloride is obtained. Okay, benzene diarsenic chloride is obtained. Understood? So our aim, they're asking only B, B only they're asking. So this is B. Understood? This is B. Okay. So don't worry about the other compounds. They're asking to find only B. B means benzene diarsenic chloride. So option A is the correct answer. Understood? Benzene diarsenic chloride. Next one. Identify the product B in the following reaction. So B. As usual here. So benzoic acid reacts with ammonia as well as heat also. It reacts with ammonia as well as heat, both. So here two reactions are there here. Okay, two steps are there here. Okay, then only we get A. Again, A to B here only one step. Suppose this VC means this is called what? Hoffman bromamide reaction. Okay, now see the reactions. C6H5. Okay, COOH. What happened? When it reacts with ammonia, simple. Ammonia, what happened? Just add. It becomes NH4, no? Okay, it becomes C6H5 COONH4, ammonium benzoate. Understood? Okay. Then we have to heat also, no? Another step. When you heat means what happened? The H2 will be removed. That is H2 will be removed. See, that is H2O. Understood? Okay. So minus H2O. Understood? Okay. Next one. We get amide, isn't it? Understood? Okay. We get amide. CONH means amide, no? Okay. Right. Again to that, you should add what? Bromine in presence of what? NaOH. If you see bromine in presence of NaOH means you must know it is a Hoffman bromamide reaction. Hoffman bromamide reaction. It removes CO from the compound. CO. It removes only CO. Understood? Okay. Okay. That is actually here CH5, here also CH5, but here I put what? CS3. What it comes here? In this place what? C6H5 comes, no? Okay. What? Here C6H5. Understood? Okay. Then what's the purpose for adding? What's the role of this reagent? It removes CO from the compound. CO. So what is remaining? We have only C6H5NH2. Understood? We have C6H5NH2. That's a product. C6H5NH2 means nothing but what? It's aniline. Option A is the correct one. Right. Next one. The following. Chemical test to differentiate methylamine, dimethylamine. Methylamine is what? Primary amine. Dimethylamine is what? Secondary amine. The test to differentiate methylamine, primary amine is called, best one is called carbolamine test. Okay. Because this also we can able to answer. Okay. This also we can say. Innsberg reagent also we can say. Okay. So best one is carbolamine test is the best one. Okay. Understood? Right. Next one. The amine produced by Hoffman degradation of benzamide. So any amide undergo degradation, we get what? Amines. So benzamide, just now we studied, no? Benzamide, what's the formula? C6H5CONH2. Understood? Okay. Then it undergoes, Hoffman degradation reaction is what? Br2NaOH. It's called Hoffman bromamide. What it's doing? So CO will be removed. Okay. The same product, what? Aniline. So C6H5, same reaction. Okay, nothing but aniline. So option B is the correct one. Understood? Next one. Once again Hoffman. But the quite opposite this is. Not exactly same. Here amide. Which amide gives aniline? Okay. So that quite opposite. Okay. Which amide gives aniline means aniline. So aniline, what's the formula? Aniline also C6H5 NH2. It's called a formula for aniline. Okay. So which amide they are asking? Amide means here Br2 NaOH. Understood? Okay. Here amide means what? C double bond O is called amide NH2. Correct or not? Here CH5 is there, no? Then I put what? C6H5. Understood? Right. Which amide is going to give that aniline? So this is called what? What's the name of the compound? This is called what? Benzamide. Benzamide. Understood? Right. You following? So benzamide means, so option D is the correct one. Are you following? Okay. So these are the important 7 questions. Okay. I hope you understood everything. Okay. Study the name reaction thoroughly. You can able to answer all the questions. Understood? Thank you, students.